Good morning, students. This is your GK class, and today's topic is computer and internet. It is just from page number 19. Because of this, I would like to share some basic information regarding to this computer, so that I am not including some external questions today. Okay, so computer and internet. This is a very essential thing in our life at this present time and in this corona time. Because of this internet, all of us are just linked with us. Okay, so the first question is, what is the full form of computer? The full form of computer is common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational research. This is the full form of computer. And who is the father of computer? Charles Babbage. All of you know this from your computer books. As I know this, I just want to share some basic information to all of you. And so father of computer is Charles Babbage. The first computer is ENIAC. ENIAC, what is the full form of ENIAC? Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. This is the full form of ENIAC, and ENIAC is just invented by J. Presfer and John Mockery. So both are these inventor of this ENIAC, and it is really a very huge in size. It occupies almost 1800 square feet space, and having 18,000 vacuum tubes are just used in this computer. So that it is a giant computer, it is a very big one. Okay, abacus, the second name is abacus, is just a calculating machine which is mainly used by the blind people, and it is just invented by Tim Cranmer. It's also known as Cranmer. So it's all about for today regarding to this computer. And let us start our chapter. Then here, unscramble the letters and write the correct word. So there is some scrambled word written here, and we have to be unscramble them. And what is the form a meaningful word? Okay, the first one is an application program that allows us to view websites on the internet. What is the name of that application which is just give us facilities to view websites on internet? Your answer is browser. Written here WOBRSER. So this is a scrambled word, and when we are just unscramble it, so the meaningful word is browser. So answer is browser. Okay. The second one is a system for sending and receiving messages electronically over a computer network. What's the unscrambled word is here? Email. Email, electronic mail, the full form is electronic mail. So from this we are just sending messages to our computer system. So this is answer is email. The third one is, it is formed when people, things or places are linked or connected to each other. What's the answer? Network. Due to this network only, each and everything is just connected with each another. Okay. The fourth one is, it is the most popular and the most used search engine. Each and everyone just used it very frequently in their life. That allows us to search for information on the internet. If we want anything we want to find out, so then we are just go to Google. Google is the one of the search engine by which we are just finding each and every information from there. Okay. So the answer is Google. The fifth one is, each website is made of these. Websites are just made up with web pages. When the web page is formed, the website is also formed. So the answer is web pages. The sixth one is, it is a sequence of characters used to gain access to a computer system. Answer is password. We always use this password to just protect our system from if we are not adding passwords, so anyone is just open our system and so all these private things from there, so that we have to be enter the password because of the safety of our system. Okay, so the answer is password. The next one is B. Fill in the missing letters to name these input and output devices of a computer. You all know about input and output devices. Input devices which are just input the information in computer, and output from where we are just shown all this information in our computer. Input devices like keyboard, mouse, these are the input devices, and output devices like our scanner, our monitor also, these are the output devices. So the first question is, record voice or other sounds in the computer. When we have to be required to record our sounds in the computer, answer is microphone. What is the answer? Microphone. Microphone is the input device by which we are just recorded our voices in the computer. The second one is, touch sensitive computers display screen commonly used in ATMs. ATM, you all not operating even ATMs, but when you are just operating ATMs, there is some information on the screen which we just touch it and the information. So this is known as touch screen. Touch screen is also we are using in our mobiles and everywhere. So the answer is touch screen. The third one is, used in supermarkets for recording the sale of items. Sale of items, and this information is just stored by the barcode reader. The fourth one is, used to draw images and pictures on the computer at capturing handwritten signature of people. Each and everything, some special documents having the particular signature. Then only you are just to withdraw your amount from anywhere. So for the detection of your signature, graphic tablet is used for the detection of signatures. Okay, so the answer is graphic tablet. The fifth one is, shaped like a pen. It is used to draw or point to objects on the computer. Screen light pen. The answer is screen light pen. That's all about for today. In our next videos, we are discussing page number 20. Have a nice day to all of you.